Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Facebook Messenger is not working on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet connection. And how would you do that? Simply open this website fast.com and hit enter. This will show the internet connection speed if it is good enough or not. The next solution is to reinstall the app. Why? See, here's the thing. I can open Messenger and then I can go to app settings and try to reset and repair it as well. But I know that this is a very tough application. But it's okay. We can try repairing it first and then resetting it. But if this doesn't help, then simply uninstall it. And this is going to help in 99% cases. And then open the Microsoft Store either from here or search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open it. And then search for Messenger. Now go to the Messenger app and click on install to reinstall it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.